Introducing the 2025 Willys Jeep, a modern twist on a classic icon that combines rugged performance with contemporary features. This latest model showcases an exterior that pays homage to the original design while integrating modern aesthetics and functionality. The body is crafted from durable, lightweight materials, ensuring both strength and agility on various terrains. The iconic 7-slot grille and round headlights give it a familiar face, while the sleek lines and bold color options add a fresh appeal. Underneath, the suspension system of the 2025 Willys Jeep has been meticulously engineered for optimal road grip and off-road capability. The front and rear axles feature advanced coil spring suspension, allowing for greater flexibility and stability, whether you're navigating rocky trails or cruising down the highway. The all-terrain tires provide exceptional traction, ensuring you can tackle any environment with confidence. Riders will appreciate the smooth handling and responsive steering, which enhance the overall driving experience. When it comes to speed and performance, the 2025 model doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a powerful engine that delivers impressive horsepower, the Jeep accelerates effortlessly, making it suitable for both urban adventures and off-road excursions. The advanced four-wheel drive system optimizes power distribution, ensuring you can conquer steep inclines and challenging landscapes without compromising speed. With a robust transmission system, the Jeep promises a seamless driving experience, whether you're in the city or out in the wild. Moving inside, the interior of the 2025 Willys Jeep is designed with both comfort and functionality in mind. The dashboard features a modern layout with intuitive controls and a large touchscreen display that integrates navigation, entertainment, and connectivity options. The materials used throughout the cabin are both durable and stylish, reflecting the Jeep's rugged heritage while embracing modern design elements. Seating is both spacious and comfortable, with options for high-quality leather or durable fabric finishes in a variety of colors to suit personal preferences. The ergonomic design ensures that both the driver and passengers enjoy a comfortable ride, whether you're on a long road trip or a quick jaunt to the store. Storage solutions are abundant, with ample space for gear and personal items, making the 2025 Willys Jeep perfect for adventure enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. In summary, the 2025 Willys Jeep is a remarkable fusion of classic charm and modern performance, designed to exceed expectations both on and off the road. With its impressive specifications, advanced features, and comfortable interior, it's a vehicle that truly embodies the spirit of adventure.